Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcus and today I'm back with a new unboxing video for you guys because it's been a while that I got me a new plant and also record a new video for you guys, so might as well I do it and take this opportunity to show you guys what I have in here. So yeah, it's been months I actually purchased a plant because I've trying to restrict myself and also do savings for it. So it's not an expensive plant, but it's a plant for sure to add in your collection. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and I'm gonna show you guys what plant I got. Alright, so change of locations. I'm back in my room and yes, this is the new and brand new setup. As you can see, is absolutely amazing. So yeah, this rack here used to be behind where you guys are watching right now, so like it used to be on the back area near the wall, but now it's nearer to the window and my plants are doing very happy. I even got like a new grow light for it so they could thrive. But yes, where were we? Okay, we were talking about this, so I am unboxing this right now. I did actually cut it in already, but I haven't opened it, so I don't even know the condition of the plant. But yes, this plant is part of the Philodendron category, and it is basically a cousin to one of the types of philodendrons that is in my room right now. So yeah, without further ado, let's just start opening up this box and I'll show you what's this plant. Alright, let's just get into this and I'll show you what I have. Okay. And I don't know, it's not really a big plant, but it's big enough, but this box looks too tiny for it and I'm kind of concerned on the packaging for this. Oh, and it's upside down. Okay, yeah, this is the pot right here, my bad. Okay, I'm gonna open a bag and we're gonna see what we're dealing with. Okay, because it's upside down and I'm concerned now. This is, oh god, okay, there is a couple of leaves that are bent, but oh well, it is what it is. It's a package that is this small. It is a Philodendron. I'm not even sure if you could see it, but based on the leaf structure you could kind of tell what I'm going for here. But yeah. Ooh, okay, let's get this tearing. This is a Philodendron Florida Ghost. Or just Philodendron Ghost, I think. Yeah, Philodendron Florida Ghost. Look at the leaves. It is a little bit muddy because the whole pot was upside down, but we could deal with it. It's still a small plant. I got it for a very affordable price nowadays because before that, during the lockdown, there's like this plant could sell up to hundreds because of the new leaves, I guess. The reason why people want to buy this plant is because of the brand new leaves. So whenever the brand new leaves come in, they are usually a very ghost white shade. They're not really like a very you know, they're not on the greenish side, because when it comes to a new leaf for a normal Philodendron Florida green, they tend to just come in lime green, but this is more lighter in color. You could see some of the older leaves that are fading from that nice white Florida Ghost, but look at that. It's pretty neat. There is a couple of leaves that are, you know, really bent, especially this one. This is severely bent and it's the second leaf towards the new leaf up here. So yeah, that's great. I Okay, I'm gonna give this plant a wash and I'm gonna give you guys a full proper reveal. Alrighty, so now we have our plant ready. Since, you know, every single rule of thumb when you want to buy a new plant and once you receive a new plant, repot your plant. Now for me, I do not want to go for any soils, so I washed off all of the roots and I'm going to use my little soil mix here that I have. This is leca, pumice, cocoa peat, cocoa bark, and also stones, like aquarium stones, because I want it to be as aerated as possible, but in the same time it is able to grip on. And basically aquarium stones, they act like pond as well, so it's an alternative that you could use, and I really like it since I have a lot of spare aquatic stones, so might as well just use that and put that into good use. Alright, so yes, my IKEA mat is getting messy, but I don't care. It's fine. We're gonna clean it later. Right. So in here I already have a layer of leca, so there's like a base layer. There is a couple of pumice pieces in there, but perlite pieces in there, but it's okay. I'm not really gonna focus much on the perlites, but I'm gonna focus on the plant now. So since we're gonna give this plant a moss pole to climb, I already pre-prepared the moss right here. So this is the moss that I've been soaking for a few minutes now, so it's very wet. And I have my homemade DIY moss pole. Now this is a very good alternative if you don't want to spend too much, but at the same time you're budgeted. And yeah, I basically would teach you guys and show you guys how I made this in a future video, because it's pretty cheap and it's pretty affordable with a lot of affordable materials. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to start filling up the soil for my plant. So I don't have anything, but I'm just going to use my hands, because why not? And yes, I'm using a pot that is not technically a pot. It is just a ice cream tub that I have. I just burned a couple of holes underneath to act as aeration, because one thing I am running out on is flower pots, and I do not have any that is suitable for, you know, holding water. I don't have any plastic ones, and I prefer to use plastic pots because they really retain the water very well, and that's one of the plus points why I want to get them. But unfortunately I don't have any clear plastic pots at the moment, so I'm just going to use whatever I have to make my own makeshift plastic pot for the plant. This way I can allow the plant to adapt to its soil mix and also get climbing before I swap it to a bigger pole. That should be enough soil. You could always add more, since, you know, they're gonna just shake in eventually. So give it a little shake, get it all settled in. So we got our soil mix. And what I want to do is I want to get my moss pole here to kind of get at the back of this entire plant. You can always switch out these sticks if you want to. Like I said, these are DIY, so you don't really need to you know, be concerned about the whole process here. Right, now we're gonna get our moss and really slide it in there. Also guys, don't forget to put your reservoir when you're doing this, because you're gonna wet the entire table. Alrighty, so as you could see, we are potted up. This Philodendron Florida Ghost is finally potted up in a soilless mix. So in here consists of a very aerated mix and also a pole for it to climb with moss in it. So yeah, now you can see its full beauty. It's really, really small. It's still considerably a juvenile with no double lobing yet. It's still getting there though. Like this brand new leaf is still pretty small and it's on the white stage. So this will go onto the spot with the other Philodendron Florida green. So let me just take you guys here. Right, so this is the Philodendron Florida green and something happened to it. So update, this leaf is actually gone due to my new blinds kind of like shredding it off by accident, but it's okay. I just poke it on just so that it looks full and I could admire its beauty while it lasts. But yeah, these are the few new leaves after giving it a pole to climb. You could see the size has literally expanded. Look at this. Hold on, let me turn the pot around, but look at this. This is the brand new leaf here. It's starting to give me a triple lobing on one of the sides, so that's very, very fun and very, very exciting. But yeah, back to the Florida Ghost. So you could kind of see the differences between each and every leaf. There is a couple of damage when I receive it, so what to do? It is what it is. It happens. But yeah, you could see how it went from this white, yellowish hue from a new leaf, and then it fades back down to this very minty, dark green type of texture. So this is why I want to get it. Florida Beauty, that's one of my other wishlist goals. The reason why I want to collect all of them is so that I could bunch them up together in this little area. And then you have like a few varieties all clashing together with the same leaves, same structure of leaf, but different colors. And that'll be so interesting as well. But yeah, it's kind of a mess down there at the moment. But here we have our Alocasia cuprea as well. Isn't it nice? So funny thing is, I don't know, Alocasia cupreas or Alocasias in general, their leaves just snap out of nowhere and you didn't even hit it whatsoever. It gets battered by the wind in nature, but it still doesn't get snapped, but it gets snapped indoors for some reason. So that happens. But look at the size of that leaf. So I'm saving it. We still have a couple of pothos. We have like this marble queen. We have this rhaphidophora. It looks so much bushier than usual because I have been chopping and propagating. So it's taking sweet time coming back. But yeah, our beautiful Philodendron mame has taken off, and I even give it a propagation at the back there so you could see a new growth. Lots have happened. I would do a update video as well. So 2 new videos coming up for you guys. I would be doing a update video of my entire plant room and plant corner, I should call it now, and also a how to make a moss pole, like the one that I show you for this gorgeous Florida Florida Ghost. I get confused with all of the names as well because like they're like all of the same but different variations, I guess. But yeah, I would see you all in the next video if I ever post, because I know I haven't posted for like a long while, but it is what it is. College life just clashes with everything too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.